I make breakfast in the morning. I make breakfast in the morning. I eat breakfast at home. I eat breakfast at home. I do exercise in the morning. I do exercise in the morning. I eat fruit every day. I eat fruit every day. I drink water in the morning. I drink water in the morning. I use my phone every day. I use my phone every day. I drink juice with breakfast. I drink juice with breakfast. I sleep late on weekends. I sleep late on weekends. I sleep on the sofa. I sleep on the sofa. I drive to work. I drive to work. I drink coffee at work. I drink coffee at work. I make dinner for my family. I make dinner for my family. I do laundry on weekends. I do laundry on weekends. I make coffee at home. I make coffee at home. I do my homework at home. I do my homework at home. I eat dinner with my family. I eat dinner with my family. I sleep at night. I sleep at night. I use a computer at work. I use a computer at work. I use a pen to write. I use a pen to write. I live with my family. I live with my family. Learn English with fun. Learn English with fun.